Have you ever felt a character's fear or excitement? Imagine hearing footsteps behind you or sensing the tension in the air. Today, we're diving into 4 essential narrative techniques that bring stories to life: dialogue, pacing, description, and suspense. These techniques allow readers to experience the action, not just read it. First, let's discuss dialogue. Dialogue is the conversation between characters. Effective dialogue reveals character traits and emotions while moving the story forward. When writing dialogue, remember these rules. Use quotation marks for exact words. Place a comma before the dialogue tag if necessary. Start a new paragraph for a new speaker. For example, consider this. "Where are we going?" Maya whispered. "To the river," Liam replied. The quotation marks show their exact words, while dialogue tags tell us who is speaking. This method also makes it sound natural. Instead of saying, "Maya was afraid," we can show it through dialogue. "Where are we going? Where are we going?" Maya whispered. This allows readers to feel her nervousness. Next, let's talk about pacing. Pacing refers to the speed of the story. Writers choose how fast or slow to tell moments. Slow pacing uses detailed descriptions and careful actions. For instance, "She stepped carefully into the room, listening to every tiny sound." Fast pacing uses short, quick sentences. For example, "She ran. The door slammed. The lights went out." These shifts in pacing keep readers engaged, creating a rhythm in the story. Now, let's explore description. Description paints vivid pictures using sensory details. Think of the 5 senses: sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. Instead of saying, "The forest was nice," try, "The tall trees blocked the sun while pine filled the air." Now, readers can visualize and even smell the forest. Here's another example. "The cave was dark." Let's enhance this with description. "The cave was dark and cold, with the damp smell of earth." Strong descriptions transport readers into the story, making it real. Finally, let's talk about suspense. Suspense creates tension and keeps readers wondering what will happen next. Questions arise. Is the character safe? What lurks behind the door? Writers build suspense with clues and dramatic pauses. For example, "The floorboards creaked behind her. She froze. She was supposed to be alone." The unanswered question creates suspense. Let's look at a passage combining these techniques. "Did you hear that?" Ben whispered. The hallway lights flickered, and a cold breeze brushed past them. Ben stopped. Something moved in the darkness ahead. What narrative techniques can you identify? The line, "Did you hear that?" is dialogue. A cold breeze brushed past them is description. Flickering lights and mysterious movement create suspense. Plus, short sentences increase pacing. Now, let's practice identifying these techniques. "The wind howled through the broken window." This is description, as it helps us hear the wind. "Don't move," she whispered. This is dialogue. "He ran down the hallway and slammed the door." This showcases fast pacing. Now, let's practice dialogue punctuation. Consider the sentence, "I can't see anything," said Leo. The correct form is, "I can't see anything," said Leo. Imagine writing a suspenseful scene. Start with description. "Rain hammered against the windows as thunder shook the house." Then, add dialogue. "Did you hear that?" Ava asked. Slow the pacing next. "She walked carefully toward the kitchen door and placed her hand on the handle." Finally, create suspense. The handle slowly began to turn from the other side. Notice how these techniques work together to enhance the scene's excitement. Let's quickly review. Dialogue shows character emotions. Pacing controls story speed. Description uses sensory details for imagery. Suspense engages readers' curiosity. Strong narratives combine all 4 techniques. Now, it's your turn. Write a scene involving 2 characters. Include 4 dialogue lines, both slow and fast pacing, sensory details, and a suspenseful ending. Don't forget to check your dialogue punctuation. Thank you for joining us today on Learner's Gain. For more exciting lessons, please visit www.learnersgain.com. Please like, subscribe, and share this video with friends. Learner's Gain, learning made fun, simple, and rewarding.